Hey everybody, this is Andrew Klaus with Around the Table. Today, we're going to be talking about fall weather. It's 100 degrees here in Kentucky. That sucks. But actually, we're going to be opening a new package that just came in the mail to me today. So, as you all may or may not know, from time to time I do try to get on people's Facebook pages and get the cover photos with Maverick and stuff, just trying to push the word out about Maverick and myself and the stuff that we're doing, trying to help out veterans and stuff. So we did that on a Facebook page, and they selected us to be their September Jeep picture, which was really awesome. So we got selected for that. It's posted up right now on Offroad Elements Facebook page, so if you get on Offroad Elements, you will see a picture of Maverick sitting in front of the Pigeon Forge wheel, where we went to the Great Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion. Had a great and fun time with people like Crawler, who I'm repping their t-shirt today. And we were out there with Metal Cloak and Corey and them, so that was really fun watching them do the RTI trailer. But anyway, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this. So whenever we won the Jeep of the Month, they said, hey, we're going to send you a little something. So I was going to go ahead and do an opening right now for this. It's going to be fun. It's going to be good. We're going to have a lot of time to do it. So after this, I have to go outside and record something else. So we're going to get on this. Of course, you always have to have the opening knife. The opening knife can be any knife. But I like to use the biggest knife that I can find, short of a machete. This is what's known as a Bowie knife for all you people that don't know. You can grill a steak on this thing. It's so wide across. And yeah, it's probably one of the best purchases I ever made whenever I lived in Tennessee. It's not the greatest quality, but it definitely looks like Rambo pulled this out of his pants and just handed it to me. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and crack into this thing. I haven't used this knife in a while, so we're gonna see if it even still cuts. It doesn't really cut that well. Yeah, I know. Dull blades and all that other crap, right? So we're gonna go ahead and open her up. I will be sharpening this. I think I dulled it down whenever we were moving at one point, just to make sure that it wasn't gonna cut anybody, because this was not in a safe place. So anyway, okay, we got into it with our big knife, kind of, sort of. All right, so let us see what Offroad Elements out of Abington, Massachusetts sent us. Abington, Massachusetts. All right. Oh my gosh. My wife's gonna kill me. We have a new window banner. It's huge. I run Starwood right now because that's what Maverick was made with, Starwood Customs out of Dallas, Texas. And to be quite honest, I don't know if I'll ever replace it, but I do have this and I love it, and we'll show it to my wife and see how she frowns at me, because she hates stickers on my Jeep. Alright. We have a lanyard, which is always cool. I always like wearing some of this stuff whenever I go to the big shows and stuff, and they give you something. Some of my favorite ones, of course, are the Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion one. Also have one for the Unlimited Off-Road Show, I think. I picked one up there, maybe. Or maybe that was bracelets. I can't remember. But these are always good. They come in handy. I give these out to other people and stuff, especially to kids and stuff that are looking to have something. I always like having freebies. Ooh, this is cool. So, this is a koozie, but it's not just any koozie. I might actually hold on to this koozie. I've had a lot of koozies given to me, but I've never had one like this. It is a magnetic koozie. So, of course, whenever you have your beer or something and you just wanna let it hang out for a little bit, you know, maybe you gotta get under your Jeep and fix something again. Just kind of, you know, look at this. Look at this action. Wow. So anyway, I'm probably actually gonna hold on to this koozie. I love magnetic koozies, and no one's ever given me one before. So Offroad Elements, thank you for the magnetic Jeep koozie. That is awesome. And of course, oh, I can already tell. This is the shirt. And it's soft. Ladies, you understand what soft shirts mean. It means I'm never going to be able to wear this because this will definitely be my wife's. It says Bud, Sweat, and Gears Offroad Elements Supply Company. 488 or the 513 gear setup. So, I love this shirt. It's freaking awesome. At the same time, I'm very sad because once this hits the laundry and my wife finds it in my drawer, it's gonna be a sleeping shirt and I'll never see it again. Maybe one day, whenever she's on vacation and I'm able to wear my clothes on a regular basis. But any soft shirts automatically go to her, so I appreciate the soft t-shirt. Like I said, my wife will appreciate it all the much more. But anyway, so that's really awesome, guys. So that is what we're doing. So this weekend, this is the first weekend in October. I'm going to be in Owensboro, Kentucky. We're going to have a good old shindig of a time. I'll be set up with the Owensboro Off-Road Jeepers and several other clubs and organizations coming down on Saturday from 3 until 7. If you wander anywhere in downtown Owensboro, like go anywhere down by the riverfront, once you get in Owensboro, you will see a car show from 3 to 7. There's going to be classics there, but the featured night is Jeep night. So we're trying to really push that out there and make this a thing. Really appreciate any support that anybody can show us. You know, this is fun stuff that we do, but looking forward to it. There's going to be some giveaways. Sunset Cruisers has an amazing rapport with the local community, and so they give out some of the coolest date night packages, everything else. I was at one of their car shows this past weekend, walking through and stuff, and they gave out a cabin for, was it 5 days? I think it was 5 days, and it slept 27 people, and it's in Pigeon Forge. So that's just crazy to me that they're giving away that kind of stuff. So anyway, yeah, you never know what the prizes are going to be. And I mean, like I said, there's a bunch of cool cars. I mean, here in Kentucky, we get stuff from Indiana, Illinois, here down on the southern part of the river and stuff. So that's what we're looking for. But yeah, so it's gonna be a good time. But anyway, so once again, thank you, Offroad Elements. First and foremost, thank you to the people that supported me. I know a lot of the Crawl Her girls and folks hit that like button for me so that I can win the month of September, which is really awesome. As always, go check out Crawl Her gear. You know, it's for the ladies, but there's also stuff for guys on there. And you know, Tiff and Britt are two really awesome people that give you a lot of head knowledge and advice, and you know, just kind of help you with navigating some of the off-roading things. Want to also give a shout out to Spartan 4x4 out of Bowling Green, Kentucky. They are up and coming with the shop and stuff. They have an amazing seam build, Leonidas. Go check it out. They're getting ready to change some stuff up, but they're going to be at the show this weekend. Also, want to give a shout out to Owensboro Auto Spa. They're going to be helping Maverick out with local cleaning and stuff, and so we really appreciate those guys. So if you're in Owensboro and you need to take your car somewhere to get it clean, consider Owensboro Auto Spa. The guys that are going to take care of your car and take care of you like your family. So we really appreciate those people that I've mentioned. Also, Days Go By Photography, I'd be remiss to not mention him. He's done a lot of pictures and stuff for me, pictures that might wind up in a project. I'll announce that a little bit later on with some other stuff. But I also have cards that he's done for me, which the images are just incredible. He does a really good job. So Chris is an awesome dude. What else can we talk about and thank people for? There's just so many people to constantly thank. So we can't do this without you guys. I believe there's 1,700 people now on Instagram. There's 2,100 people on Facebook that follow me, and there's a couple people on YouTube that follow me too. So with all that being said, I've also got a Twitter out there in the Twitterverse. So if you find Maverick the Jeep on there, you know, give us a follow as well. So But yeah, thanks for all the hookup, guys. I appreciate it. Like I said, I appreciate being selected. I'm completely honored and humbled that anybody would select Maverick to be Jeep of the Month for anything, and we'll keep on this journey. As always, as I'm going to sign off here, I'm going to talk about Mission 22. We brought down the rate from 22 suicides a day to 20 plus a day, which is still not a great number, but we're working on it, and we're praying every single day that with communities taking a stand against veteran suicide, with different organizations, whoever it may be, or individuals, thank you for all that you do whenever you're doing that kind of stuff. We appreciate you guys so much, and keep going with the good fight. Thank you guys so much. Have a blessed day.